Hello everyone, it's Livia here. It's another plant series video, and this time I chose my snake plant. This plant stays in my bedroom with me. It's an air purifying one, so it's great to have next to you while you're sleeping. And it's also called Sansevieria Trifasciata. That's why the name on the title of this video. I'm just using watercolor for this one, no coloring pencils, and I hope you enjoy the video. So as you guys could see, I was using just one shade of green for basically the middle of all the leaves there. And now I had to let it dry first, and now I'm just applying this yellow kind of greenish color to all the sides of it. And if you guys want to check out the reference photo, I left a link down below in the description box. It's to my Pinterest account, and I have a section there for my plants, and there's just one picture for this watercolor, so you can use as a reference and try to draw it and paint it yourself. So another part of the process now, you have to let it dry again. And now I'm just going for a much darker green. This one is from Schminke. And I'm just adding all the details that you can see in the reference photo. And these details will make the illustration much more alive than it was before. It was very much flat. Now you add shading and all these bits. There are the details on the leaves, and that will make it pop and become a little bit more realistic. So now just less details, just putting a little bit of brown for the soil, and I added more yellow to the sides so it pops out more and give it a little bit more depth. It's not a very hard one to paint, to be honest. You just have to be patient to wait for the watercolor to dry to apply the different layers of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to help me record more videos. And if you have any doubts, just leave it down below. And I would love to see what you guys created as well. Tag me. Bye bye.